Okay, so Tribute X3 Tune is a Bluetooth over-the-ear headphone and One Audio Studio Pro 30 is a wired over-the-ear headphone. Okay, great. But why we are talking about these two headphones in this video? Good question. Because of you guys. Because you guys are confused which one to buy. And to be honest, your confusion is legit. And there are two main reasons for that. One, their form factor. They are both over-the-ear headphones. And two, their price. They are pretty similarly priced headphones. So obviously, you are confused between the fact whether One Audio has that much better sound that you can sacrifice the convenience that Tribute offers as a Bluetooth headphone, or does Tribute has a quite close sound quality to the One Audio, so you don't need to make that sacrifice. Don't worry, I am going to take care of that confusion in this video. However, in this video I am not going to get into the details of each and every feature. I have already made individual videos for that. Link of those will be in the description or somewhere in the cards. In this video, we are going to focus on three specific things. 1. Longevity. 2. The comfort. And 3. The sound quality. So without wasting any further time, let's roll the intro. So let's start with the longevity, which is mainly dependent on the build quality. Now I have been using both these headphones for last 1 year, and in this period they have not deteriorated at all, which says quite a lot about their build quality and their longevity. But let's talk about them individually. One Audio Studio Pro 30 is a primarily plastic build, but the plastic is of really good quality. So in case of plastic build, the main problem occurs at the joints and the sliders. As the time passes, they wear out and they become loose and wobbly. But that is not the case with One Audio. Their joints and the sliders are as easy to maneuver as day one. Even the fox leather that is used in the headband area and in the ear cushion still feels pristine, and that is the reason it is easy to say that you can use it for long time without any problem. And the same can be said about the Tribute X3 Tune. Although their build quality feels a bit more premium than One Audio, they have more metal parts in that. Even the plastic quality that has been used feels more premium than One Audio. For Tribute X3 Tune 2, the joints and the sliders has aged really well. They perform really smooth even after this time, and same goes for the fox leather that is used in their ear cushion and on the headband area. Now if you ask me which one of this will last more time because of their build quality, then I have to pick up Tribute X3 Tune because it's more premium. But this premiumness comes with a cost, which is the weight, which leads me to the comfort of using these headphones. Now both of these headphones can be used for a long time and they are comfortable to wear. However, Tribute feels more heavier compared to One Audio. The moment you pick it up in your hand, you will realize that, and that can be a problem for some of you. Tribute X3 Tune almost weighs more than half a kg, and putting that much weight on your head may be tiring for some of you. But if you ask me, I have used Tribute X3 Tune 2 hours at a stretch without any problem. That is mainly because of the cushion that it has. It does not pain your ear even after use of 2 or 3 hours. However, in One Audio Studio Pro 30, it gets better. The memory foam used in One Audio Studio Pro 30 is one of the best one that I have seen under 5,000 rupees. And hands down, it is one of the most comfortable headphone to wear for a long time. I have used this headphone for 5 to 6 hours for long editing sessions without any problem. Now one problem that you will feel with both these headphones is your ear region will get heated up. That is mainly because both of these ear cushions are not quite breathable material. So when they sit on your ear, it warms up your ear region. And if you are using it in a very hot and humid place, that can escalate quite quickly. So you have to keep that in mind when purchasing these headphones. Now if you want me to nitpick which one warms up more, that will be Tribute X3 Tune. mainly because of its design, which is like oval and it covers your whole ear. So there is hardly any air that passes through your ear region. But in case of One Audio, because of its circular ear cup, it generally does not cover your ear fully. It sits on your ear, and that leaves a lot of space which comes directly in contact with the ambient air, and in that way it warms up a little less than Tribute X-Ray Tune. Now one more thing to consider between these two headphones is the mic quality. So what I'll do is just put out the test audio, so you be the judge and let me know which one is better. Okay, so let's hear them. This is a recording from Tribute X-Ray Tune. This is an uncontrolled environment with fan running in the background and windows and doors are open. This will give you a good idea about the clarity of the mic of the headphone and also the background noise rejection while using this mic. This is a mic test from One Audio Studio Pro 30. This is an uncontrolled environment with fan running in the background and windows and doors are open. This will give you a good idea about the quality of the mic as well as the background noise reduction while using this mic. One more good thing about the One Audio is the mic is present on the aux cable, so you can bring it closer to your mouth, and this is how it sounds when the mic is at an inch away from your mouth. Now let's talk about the most important thing, that is the sound quality. Now the sound quality depends on four main factors: sound signature, sound stage, noise isolation and clarity. So let's go through each category and find out which one actually performs better. So coming to sound signature, which is the most subjective thing, so let me make it objective for you so you can choose according to your preferences. So for Tribute X-Ray Tune, the upper bass is really punchy. It has a very clear and elevated vocals. The highs are comparatively flat. In case of One Audio, the mids and highs are balanced, whereas the bass is little boosted. Now talking about the overall sound signature, the One Audio feels warm and open, whereas Tribute X-Ray Tune feels punchy and tight. So if your listening preferences includes more beats, I think with Tribute X-Ray Tune you will enjoy more, whereas if you want to enjoy more wide genres of music, then One Audio will serve you best. Now coming to the sound stage, they are very comparable to each other. I can hardly differentiate between these two headphones. Now in terms of noise isolation, Tribute X-Ray Tune performs better, mainly because of its ear cup design, which completely covers your ear, which leads to rejecting more outside noise. Now the main difference that is there between these two headphones, and probably the most distinctive feature, is the sound clarity. Now this difference is very hard to notice in day-to-day use if you are just consuming music from Spotify, YouTube or any other popular music services, or just consuming media from YouTube or Netflix or by any other means, because this difference especially lies on the very low frequencies like below 100 Hz. Now for a professional who edits audio, they need to hear those very low frequencies because they need to identify the room noise and the ambient noise so they can remove it from their main sound and make it cleaner. But if you're not doing those stuffs, then those low frequencies hardly come in use. Now is it good if you have those low frequencies in your headphone? Yes, definitely. However, does it really come in use in day-to-day use for consuming media and music? I don't think so. So to conclude, which one you should go for? Let's make it simple for you. If you want a good listening experience with convenience, go for Tribute X-Ray Tune. And if you want a good listening experience and you are a professional audio person who uses headphones to edit audio or for mixing, then you can go for One Audio Studio Pro 30. For day-to-day use to listen to music or watching movies or all those things, I think Tribute X-Ray Tune will do just good. I hope this clears your confusion regarding these two headphones and you can choose for yourself. Anyway, that will be all for this video. Until next time, this is Parth signing off from InfoPal, and I will see you in the next video.